Hi, I'm Jamie Shumber. Here's a breakdown of the top Workspace news you need to know about. Google Workspace Flows, a brand new way to orchestrate work across your apps. You can create a custom workflow powered by AI to automate repetitive tasks like approvals, email organization, and intelligent data collection. Gems in Flows. You can build custom AI agents in Gemini and then add them to workflows to assist with tasks like reviewing copy against brand guidelines, checking travel requests aligned with company policy, or providing guidance for customer responses. New audio features in Google Docs allows you to create full audio overviews for documents to help you get up to speed fast. Help Me Refine in Google Docs allows you to improve your writing with holistic suggestions like how to strengthen your structure and argument, as well as tactical tips for formatting or summarizing key points. Help Me Analyze in Google Sheets allows you to simply click to analyze data, and Gemini will proactively surface key insights in an interactive experience, all without writing a single formula. Generate original video content in Google Vids. We're bringing the state-of-the-art video generation model, VO2, into Google Vids. With simple prompts, you and your team can unleash the creative storytelling with realistic motion, high-quality outputs, and a wide range of visual styles. Google Meet AI enhancements. Gemini will pull from the meeting notes and live captions to summarize or repeat the last question in a meeting, acting as an always-on AI assistant. And finally, Gemini and Google Chat. Type @Gemini in any conversation, and Gemini will provide a detailed summary highlighting open action items, decisions, and key next steps, so you and your team can keep the momentum going. Love these new features? Follow us to see what happens next with Google Workspace.